Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Now just here you'll see the you should just scroll a little bit down to the default notification sound. Here you can see that we got the Hello Moto, and you can just select one from this available notification sound and then just click here to OK. And as can you see, we just saved the new notification sound and we got this off now. So that's it, then how to change notification sound on Motorola Edge 30 Pro. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.